In attentive pin-drop silence, the Committee on Appointments would assess Appellate Court President Justice Kihara's professional journey. The minority party taking part in the first sitting, despite having boycotted previous vetting sessions of the president's nominees.
Faith and fear in God.
But Justice Kihara Kariuki would quickly find himself on the spot over alleged misconduct and insubordination over his handling of the court case on appointment of the returning officers by IEBC hours before the October 26th presidential poll. High Court Judge George Odunga had ruled that the gazettement of returning officers and their deputies by the Electoral Commission was illegally done and violated the Elections Act. Hours later, Justice Kihara constituted a bench to hear an appeal on a public holiday. The bench, comprising of Justices Fatuma Sichale, Esther Kome and Erastus Gedenji, overturned the High Court decision.
The way you constituted the bench, by bringing people from outside Nairobi and constituting it to sit at odd hours.
Not once in 16 years have I ever been accused delivering a judgment which was either incompetent or would appear on the face of it to have been influenced.
2 weeks before his nomination as Attorney General, JSC had constituted a special committee to probe the allegations.
If you are confirmed by the House and appointed by the President, you will become an automatic member of the Judicial Service Commission. How do you deal with that?
My strength comes from the experience, the varied experience, and my conviction that justice must be for all.
Justice Kihara, however, revealing how he had resisted attempts to sway him and make a ruling in other people's favor.
Your own priest embraces you and says, "Na ukumbuke yule ni mtu wetu."
With 15 years on the bench and 27 practicing law, some members of the committee question whether leaving the corridors of justice and joining the executive as the chief legal advisor was the right move.
Most natural position for you to occupy after this, what you've been serving in for the last 15 years, is to look for an opening in the Supreme Court.
I didn't apply for the job, but I have been asked to serve Kenyans.
Meanwhile, the Judicial Service Commission, through its Secretary Ann Amadi, has written to the Clerk of the National Assembly, Michael Selai, protesting the planned approval process of Justice Mohammed Abdullahi Warsame as the Court of Appeal representative to the JSC. The Committee on Appointments will hold another meeting on Monday to deliberate on its findings during the vetting of Justice Paul Kihara Kariuki. Now, should their report give a green light and a subsequent approval by the August House, Justice Kariuki will become the 7th Attorney General to serve in the country. Jacky Maribe, Citizen TV in Nairobi.